You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and without a doubt, it is a very crucial phase when it comes to the fight against COVID-19 with a vaccine right around the corner. On one hand, you have the vaccination dry run taking place across the country, and on the other, you have two vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, that have been given emergency use authorization. It goes without saying, it is after a lot of painstaking hard work of the scientists and researchers that we are in this position right now. What we need is speedy and safe inoculation, which will protect the citizens from COVID-19. But what if at this crucial juncture, a politician stands up and says he will not take the vaccine as it belongs to the BJP? Well, hard to believe, isn't it? But that is exactly what former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav said in a brazen tone.
मैं तो नहीं लगवाऊंगा अभी वैक्सीन, मैंने अपनी बात कह दी, और वो भी बीजेपी लगाएगी, उसका भरोसा करूंगा मैं? अरे जाओ भाई, अरे अपनी सरकार आएगी, सबको फ्री वैक्सीन लगेगी, हम बीजेपी का वैक्सीन नहीं लगवा सकते.
Well, if you thought terming the shot as BJP's vaccine was bizarre, wait till you hear what Akhilesh's party colleague and MLC Ashutosh Sinha had to say about the vaccine.
और हमें लगता है कि बाद में लोग कह दें कि नहीं, जनसंख्या कम करने के लिए, मारने के लिए लगा दिए वैक्सीन, तो आप नपुंसक बना, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो इसलिए अगर आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने इस बात को कहा है, तो हमें लगता है सिर्फ समाजवादी पार्टी नहीं, पूरे प्रदेश की किसी जनता को वैक्सीन नहीं लगवाना चाहिए.
Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya was quick to react and termed Akhilesh Yadav's comments as demeaning and disrespectful to the efforts of India's scientists, pharmacologists and medicos.
प्रदेश के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री श्री अखिलेश यादव जी, आपने कोरोना वैक्सीन लगाने से मना करके एक तरह से केवल इस देश की सरकार का ही नहीं, बल्कि इस देश के उन वैज्ञानिकों का, उन डॉक्टरों का, जिन्होंने दिन रात परिश्रम करके इस वैक्सीन को तैयार किया है, जिसे लेने के लिए पूरी दुनिया और पूरा देश लगातार प्रतीक्षा कर रहा था, और आपने वह लगाने से मना करके, वह भी उसका सार्वजनिक बयान दे करके जो किया है, वह निश्चित तौर से यह सबका अपमान है. और आपसे मैं अपेक्षा करूंगा कि इसके लिए आप माफी मांगे, और जो मुख्यमंत्री के पद पर रहा हो उसे इस प्रकार के बयानबाजी करने से पहले 1000 बार सोचना चाहिए.
On the other hand, Jammu Kashmir National Conference leader Omar Abdullah, responding to Akhilesh Yadav, showed the way forward with his message. I don't know about anyone else, but when my turn comes, I'll happily roll up my sleeve and get a COVID vaccine. This damn virus has been far too disruptive, and if a vaccine helps bring about a semblance of normalcy after all the chaos, then sign me up. The more people that get vaccinated, the better it will be for the country and the economy. No vaccine belongs to any political party. They belong to humanity, and the sooner we get vulnerable people vaccinated, the better. Let's now listen to a medical professional's message regarding the kind of statements surrounding the vaccine.
I believe that Mr. Akhilesh Yadav is an intelligent ex-CM and may have his own reasons for the statement that he made. But I believe that in the current pandemic situation, any vaccine that proves to be safe, immunogenic and efficacious in preventing SARS-CoV-2 infections must be taken by people who need to be protected, which is pretty much something that any political party who would be in power in India right now would want for its Indian populace to be safe and protected. So I think that it's very important that politics be kept out of medical science and professionalism, because ultimately we are all working towards saving lives, and it's the science and the success of the science that these vaccines detect and prove that really should be followed. So my message to the people would be, go ahead and keep track of the vaccine safety and efficacy data and take it when it's your turn. That's how we can make India safe and successful again. Thank you.